Hey, my name is Sarah. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create me and how you can generate multiple camera angles for any channel you want. A Roblox channel, a GTA channel, a Minecraft channel, whatever you have in mind. All right, no wasting time. Let's jump straight to your host, AI Rush Hour.
Let's get right into it. Open ChatGPT and use the GPT model Image Recreation Pro. Upload a photo of a streamer or YouTube creator. I found an AI-generated image of a girl behind a microphone in a streaming setup. Upload that image into the GPT model. It will give you a JSON output. Copy that JSON. Now go to OpenArt. Head over to the Image tab. Click Create Image. Select the model Seedream. Paste the JSON output. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 so it's in YouTube format. Choose how many images you want, then click Create. You'll see OpenArt recreate the image in the same style, and it looks super realistic. You can also try this with Nano Pro. Personally, I think this model is slightly better, but the output isn't as sharp. Still, that's fine. Later in the video, I'll show you how to upscale it easily. For now, I'd say Nano Pro is the better option. Next, go back to ChatGPT. Use the GPT called Nano B-Roll Prompt Engineer. Download an image from OpenArt and upload it into this GPT model. It will give you 5 JSON outputs. You can use these to create different B-roll shots. Copy a section from the JSON output. Go back to OpenArt, paste it in, and click Create. Repeat this for each JSON section. Nano Pro will generate different angles of the influencer. Don't worry if the image isn't super sharp. We'll fix that next. Download the image and go to the Seedream model. Upload the image you want to upscale. Use the prompt. Add more detail. You'll get much sharper and more detailed results. It'll look like it was shot with a real camera. Now we just need a voiceover for the influencer. Go to 11 Labs. Head to the Voices tab and click Filter. Set the language to English. For the accent, use American. For the category, select social media. And for the gender, choose female. Now, pick a voice that fits the character. I went with Sarah. She matched the vibe well. Click the plus icon to add her to your voice library. Then go to the Text-to-Speech tab. Choose Sarah's voice, paste your script, and click Generate Speech. Download the voiceover. Now go to a tool called Heygen. Click on Apps, then Photo to Video. Upload the image you made in OpenArt. Also upload the voiceover from 11 Labs. You'll see Heygen lets you add a custom motion prompt. I usually skip this part. But if you want to add your own animations, go for it. Otherwise, just let the AI do its thing. Click Generate Video. Repeat this for every image you made in OpenArt. Now you've got a super realistic influencer, shown from multiple angles. Just like you saw in the intro. You can use this method for anything. Thanks for watching. You'll find all the links and tools I used in this video in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.